Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an island nation known for its stunning beaches, lagoons, and reefs. That is located in the Indian Ocean, east of Madagascar. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as Mauritius, 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 Mauritius. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as Mauritius, 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 Mauritius. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.